Say labas. Labas. Labas.
Labas.
Yeah, in my country I'm Lithuanian. We say labas. Say hi. Hi.
Hey, labas.
Labas. Sustojau kūro įsipilt, tai įsipyliau tiek, tai nežinau, čia gal koks litras gal, nežinau, euros su biški. Tai dėsim kiek užtek. Buvo paskutinė padala, tai... Kiek yra? 2. Tai 2 eurai, blemba, reikės daugiau įsipilti vėliau. Gan pigiai. Tai važiuojam toliau. Nu, nekas blemba į koją. Nekas. Nekask. Visi. Gerai, važiuojam. Can I get 4 bananas? Yeah. Do you have coconut?
Yeah, how many you want?
One drink or
1 drink.
Yeah, 1 drink. Nice, kapus. Nope, it's okay. Vos nepadaigė, bet pilnas gerai. Įmas 100 000 rupijų, tai apie 6 eurus. Va, pirma kolegė jau. Tuoj. Tuoj voks.
Wait, like your bag, you've got your watch.
Hold your watch, hold your baby. Uh-oh. Ojejej. Slėptis čia reikia. Nu, ką jūs? Nepyk. Ui, tu tėv didelis. Karštas. Nesirūpina viską. Tu nepyk tu man. Tu irgi dirbi. Parodyk, ką ten dirbi. Paro. Blė, nerėk. Kažką čia strina čia. Kažkur užpuls arba neužpuls, bet susirinkimas. Nu ir ką tu čia darai, tėvai? Nepyk. Turim 2 elektrikus. Bam. Ne. Tai. Plasmasę perdirbinėja. Žiūrėk, kapinės. Beždžionių kapinės. Nu, čia kažkas nauja. 24, 7, 14. Beždžionių.
Father, mother, and one wife.
Oh, one wife? Oh, very good.
If more than one wife, maybe my wife.
Yeah.
They kill me.
Kill me very fast. Really? After?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And after this is not rice again.
What is this?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato?
Tomato, chili, and melon.
Okay.
Like it's for the rotation and good for the soil.
Yeah. Oh, very nice. And after,
After
how
rice
long?
again.
How long after rice?
Rice is 4 months.
Yeah, 4 months.
4 months. For 1 year we have 2 times rice.
Yeah.
We have a black rice,
Yeah.
white rice, and brown rice.
Brown rice. 3 type of rice.
3 types of rice.
Yeah, I see you cut now.
And the white rice, we call the name is the basmati rice.
Basmati rice.
The owner of the terrace.
Yeah.
The water in the rice field, they coming from mountain.
Mountain? There's
Yeah.
no mountain.
There.
Hard to see.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's
We call the name of Subak. What is Subak? Subak is Organization for Irrigation for the Rice Terrace at Bali.
Wow.
You must have
Yeah.
communication and work together. You terrace there,
Yep.
my terrace here.
So you-
I need a water from
Yeah.
the terrace. In the back family, need water from my
Yep.
terrace. You must
Yeah.
have communication and work together.
Yeah. Work
We have
together.
a bigger channel. there.
Yeah.
123 family.
Yep.
We are work together.
So you have to work together,
Oh yes, of course.
work
And
together,
communication.
communicate together.
See?
Yep.
Look the ducks.
Yeah. Very ducks. It's coming rain, but I don't think it's gonna rain today.
Not a lot.
Not a lot.
Still look.
Yeah. Some pink flowers left.
Yeah. We call the name is Frangipani flowers here. Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Frangipani. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have 4 color:
Yeah.
white,
White.
yellow, red, and pink.
Okay.
Normally we can use this is for the ceremony
Ceremony.
because I am Hindu. After the
Hindu?
ceremony, we drying and then we make for the
Yep.
stick for the incense.
Yep. So it's tomorrow gonna be temple
Oh my God!
ceremony.
Please coming tomorrow to Ubud. Outside of from Ubud, oh my God! You can see is sitting together more than 200 people
Okay.
in the temple. White color of t-shirt. Oh,
Yeah.
white in the. The name is clove,
Okay.
but in your language I don't know in Lithuania.
Oh, I don't know.
Do you know?
No.
No, like this. This terrace that only that we can fit more than 60 kilogram, right?
60 kilogram.
60 kilogram.
It's not so much.
Not so much.
Yeah, 60 kilogram for
Yeah.
how much hectares?
Oh, this is this is like it's maybe 12 ara.
12 are. Yeah, this 12 are 60 kilogram. What
You know
is
that?
it? No.
100% you eat already in Lithuania. You are very expensive.
Really?
Yes. Excuse me.
Avocado?
No, I don't see you. You are 100% you eat this. Very expensive there. In
Really
Europe, in here
expensive.
also.
I don't know.
This is still young.
Still young?
Yes, this is the root.
Yeah.
Not this. This
Okay.
one.
Interesting.
This is
Lime? No.
passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Okay.
Some people, yeah,
hard
some people
hard
say
to
the
see.
maracuya, yeah?
Yeah,
Some
it's,
people say
it
maracuya.
has to be like
Yes.
longer time to grow.
Yes, exactly. You are right.
Interesting.
See, lots we
Passion
have. This is organic here.
Organic?
No, pesticide here.
No
All the people uses the
yeah.
organic.
What time
area.
we eat? They can eat. What time?
When the color is the purple.
Purple, yeah.
Purple
Yeah.
color.
So it's like
Yeah.
4 months, 2 months. Some ducks. It's for food?
Yes, of course. No, for the egg first.
Yeah.
For the egg, and then until 10 or 11 time,
Yeah.
you can take it for the food. Like.
That's nice.
Look.
Yeah. Beautiful.
What is your name?
Rocco. Rokas, you can say Rokas.
Rokas, Made.
Maddi.
Made.
Maddi,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Rokas.
Very nice.
After you wash, you dry for 2 weeks, the sun.
Yeah?
After you dry, you open the skin. The first the animal eat the swallow,
Yeah?
and they have number second and number 3.
Wow.
Poop and copy not
No problem.
contact.
Yeah,
Not
no contact. So you
Still clean.
clean, after you clean and after
And
you
then we
open,
roasted.
Open,
You open and then
yeah,
roasted
Yeah.
by the firewood
Oh.
until the black color.
Okay.
Aroma is coming. Oh my God,
Oh.
aroma coming
Do you-
from the exim there.
You make in
In here.
In here,
In
really?
Bali. In Bali.
wow.
Don't you drink in the Starbucks in Ubud?
Yeah.
Don't you drink in the restaurant in Ubud and Monkey Forest area in Ubud?
Yeah.
Why?
What?
Chinese product you drink.
Fake.
Pick you. And the taste is not original.
Not real. Yep. Yep.
And then 2 weeks ago, we drink for 1 cup there.
Yeah.
50,000 rupee,
50,000 rupees. Yeah.
€2.
So tomorrow I want to drink.
In Lithuania,
Yeah.
Russia,
Yeah.
America,
Uh-huh.
German,
Yeah.
Italy, Australia.
Australia.
If you drink for 1 cup,
You did.
€50.
50 euro.
Yes, seriously, 50
Oh,
euro
yeah,
for
yeah.
1 cup.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then here,
2
€2.
euros. I will try tomorrow.
And then
Whoa. Very nice.
where is tourist?
No tourist.
No.
It's better when going to tourist place. Wow.
I hope I meet you tomorrow.
I'll come. No problem. Yeah. Hi.
This we call is the uncle
Uncle.
or gate.
Gate to.
And every family come to in and enter.
Okay.
And when we have the scooter, we go to outside.
So you can walk only here.
Yeah, only here.
So it's like a gate to heaven.
Yeah, for the Hinduism.
Hinduism.
And
So it's,
then after that, we will to see the family temple.
oh, one more. Yep.
This is my family temple.
Yep.
Every family.
Only
In
your.
Bali, we have family temple.
Okay.
I live here totally is 26%.
26%.
We
okay.
live together
Oh, yeah,
from
so-
my generation to generation.
Okay. So it's like neighbors also,
Yeah,
or every community.
No, only for my family.
Only for your family.
Every family only for my
okay.
family.
Your blood.
Yeah,
Okay.
from the blood.
Perfect. Very nice. I like it. Oh, it's full.
Ahí más. Vos no lo Lo vi ahí ahora que subí. Dice.
Jadi, ini juga tangan tu.
Nah. Ulan ăn mất cái nhà.
Tangan tu.
Šventė na viską. Pinigų įdeda 5000 daugiau. Čia jo šeimos temple. Šventikla tik jo šeimos, tai čia iš kartos į kartą visi meldžias čia.
This is holy water from the mountain. Your hand like this. In your face. Yes. You face. Yes. One again, please. One again, please. One again. Oh, inside there we have the flowers.
Yeah, to pray.
To fry. Also, you can look here. You have cookies. You have fruits. You have bread. Yeah.
So to like for God?
For the gods.
Yeah.
You say the thanks.
Thanks.
The same like we can every day.
Yep.
Before we have breakfast. After the finish is my wife and my mother finish cooking. Before we have breakfast, we bring a small offering here, and then we say the thank you, Suksemo and Mawali, and after that we can have breakfast together. Bali Dajo, or this is honeymoon house in Bali. Yeah?
Honeymoon house.
Honeymoon house.
Okay.
And the style of the house is different family, what they want.
Yep. So you can do whatever you want.
What you want. This is special for honeymoon here.
Okay.
When the family have the honeymoon, they can stay here for 1 month. After 1 month, you come back again to your normal room.
Okay.
And then also you see the stone here.
Yeah, stone.
And then also you see the stone there. Why? Why they have stone here? In Bali, when you have the baby,
Yeah.
the placenta
Yep.
from the baby,
Goes here.
you are buried here by the young coconut.
Okay.
Don't you throw to the river,
Yeah.
not to the jungle,
Yeah.
not to the ocean.
But in the ground.
You are buried on the ground by the young coconut. You open your coconut and the placenta you put inside. That is for the man. That
Yeah.
is for the woman.
Okay.
Meeting house.
Meeting house. Yep.
For the special for meeting here.
Oh, so everyone
You
comes.
see my picture, my photo, my family,
uh-huh.
my family, my family.
Now I see.
We meet together. Yeah, before we have ceremony.
Yeah. Suksemo.
We can talk together.
Yep.
Yeah, we sitting together.
Spend time.
What happened?
Yeah.
What they doing next ceremony? What is the family? We talk together.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Very nice.
My
Big
picture.
family.
Big family.
Yeah.
26% we live together.
26%. Yeah. And everyone lives here.
Yes.
Not go like different place to live.
No.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Very
Maybe
good.
next my young generation. Nyen. Baby.
Yeah.
Ni koming nga dan.
Yep.
Aku dengkol lah dan.
Same in-
dengkol lah. Sing ramah nang gigi, sing diajak ngelucu kak.
Atvarėm į vietinę gamyklą, gamina šventinį tradicinį maistą. Tai kol kas crazy, vaizdai pažiūrim iš arčiau, kas bus. Tai nuo pradžių tai visi filmuoja. Pafilmuosim, kaip plauna mašiną. O čia jau veiksmą vyksta. Sakė, vidui pridėta visokių gerų dalykų skanių. Šauna. Lietuvoj panaši vietė. Nice. YouTube. Piapa. You speak English? English, no? Šauna čia.
Mana tinggiau. Tinggiau. Put ay makrita pena lain tempat dia pakai dari ini.
Hi. That's fun. So it's very...
Look, again, taking time there. Go around.
Oh my god. Yeah. Hi. Try to shape it. Hi. Good. You can work. Try to shape it. Nice. You can go. That's for him. O, vargšelė. Miega visi. Nu, ne, labai gražus vaizdas. Bet... Nesupakuoja kažkaip jie čia. Bet... Kur jie dės, nežinau. Turbūt ant motociklo arba veš kažkur. Na jo. Kiaulytėm ne pats fainiausias dalykas. Saksama. Pilna sadūnai. This water?
Put up for the fire.
To control the fire?
You can control up from the
So he put the cooked
Yeah.
and drive to Bali?
Yes, to selling.
How much?
Just you calling this.
Oh, how much for one?
5 million this.
5 million?
This is 5 million.
5 million.
Enough than 200 people.
Oh, 200 people?
Yeah. This will be over again then.
Yep. Crazy.
In Bali, when the wedding ceremony, we use this.
Wedding? Yeah.
For the
Yeah,
function.
yeah. But wedding and it's
And
like...
then open in the garden place.
Okay. Interesting. And you're watching. Okay.
Done.
Yeah?
Terima kasih.
Yeah, Suksuma.
Balik ini nih.
No more.
Wah.
Nice, Suksuma.
Oh, yeah. That is the chicken eggs.
Chicken farm?
Chicken, yeah.
Can we go?
Possible.
Yeah, I want to see. Yeah, good. Young guy, this is now your turn. You go like this. Now we drive like this. Yeah, perfect. It's like if you drive like this, rich, like expensive. Yeah. Now we. Va, čia tempas vis mažiau.
Permisi. Galak kucing galak nih. Galak nih kau. Bisa
Right.
lihat nih.
Yeah.
This is only for the egg.
Egg?
Yeah, egg chicken.
Oh, so it's egg
Look,
chicken.
the egg, see?
Where is egg?
On the top.
Ah. Kaip vištytės, nu tai pora yra. Tai vienam gardelį, tai 1, 2, 3. 3 vištas vienam gardelį plus minus. Nu, kiaušinį tai yra. Ja. Norvegijai dirbau, tai panašus vaizdas realiai, bet čia nieks turbūt nieko nedaro. Tai vandenėlis taip va įsipilė. Irgi gravitacija. Kiaušinių. Daug kiaušinių. Yeah, good. Hi. Yeah, hi. Yeah, I like it. Good. Give me fire. Give me fire. Good. Oh my god. A lot of chicken. Wow. A lot. Good. Good. Egg. Nu dar padorės, gražios tokios. Valgyt turi kažko. Vištinykas neblogas. Nieks turbūt šūdų netvarka. Bet tikras ūkininkų pasaulis, kaip sakoma. To, ko nieks nemato turistai. Tai va, turistai realybėje kitokie vaizdai. Tai smagu. Čia ryžiai, va, sakė, reikia kult jau, nes jau paruošti. Ten dar vištininkų pilna. Tai kiaušinių tai daug prisirenka. Good. All right. Wow. Yep.
change the color. Just this is for fun and then for happy.
So it's like ducks? And it's
Itu bebek nih.
chicken?
Bebek, ducks. That's a chicken.
Yeah. So it's like for kids. And the snails. Oh, wow, wow, wow. How do you color? How do you color? Like put in the water?
Yeah. No, they have the chemical color.
Chemical?
Yeah, chemical color.
It's didn't know. Pasimelus visa šeima. Ir eis pas 9 dievus. Ir nuo 1 iki 9 eis išsimaudyt, atsigerti 3 kartus vandens švento, nes šir yra kalnų geriamas. Nu, aš gal nerizikuočiau, bet vietiniai gali. Tai... Ne, neįsiu, pažiūrėsim, kaip jie pasirodys ir bus matyti. Tai... Įdomu, kaip jie čia meldžias. Panašiai kaip aš meldžiausi, man pamokė, tai pasiėmė po gėlę, pasimeldė už šeimą, pasimeldė už sėkmę, už darbą, už... Ten, čia, čia, čia. Ko jis iš kur tu masyčių tiek daug? Nu labai gražu. Nu labai gražu. Ja, čia jau augina. Čia jau živulininkystė. Čia bando žvejot berniukas. Dar vienas. Čia ant jau žuvies. Ten buvo ant kitų pramogų. Čia jau žuvelės. Čia jau žuvelės auga. Čia balis festivalius. Hai, hai. Hai. Hi, hi. Thank you. Hi. Nemokamai įeina, tai gali atvaryti pasižiūrėti. Rekomenduoju, bele kaip. Čia dabar privažiavau prie ugnikalnio lavos, kuri buvo įsiveržus prieš 20 metų, sakė, plius minus paskutinį kartą. Ten viršui matos ugnikalnis. Bet debesis trūdo, kad matyti aiškiau. Tai... Titanikas realiai. Titanikas. Čia vandens parkas, tai man ten parkas man neįdomu. Va, čia jau įdomu. Baidarėm. Nu, ežeras, nėra čia kur varyt baisi, upė nėra. O upės tai pavojingas. Tai... Gražiai atrodo tie kalniukai, salos kraštai, o reiks lieki dabar 2 valandas atgal ir kaip yra, toli. Varom per tokį žiaurį gerą vietą, pažiūrim. Ryžių, su ryžiai, ryžių pilna, su viena ranka. Svarbiausia nusijopint. Oi tėvai. Sorry. Nenutrenkiau su vieną ranką, tas gerai. Bet šitai vaizdai įspūdingi. Ten, kur nėra turistų. Čia turistų tikrai nėra. Tai teko galimybė va, su juo apibūti tikrą, pajaus tikrą balį. Ne tūsai vakarėliai, kaip dauguma turistų. Bet va čia tai nuotykiai. Parai tokiom gatvytėm, tarp ryžių. Lietuvoje tarp laukų būt arba tarp pievų. Čia tai, wow. Kas matysis, lėkiam. Tai jau žiauriai patogu. Būtų geresnė kamera, būtų geriau, bet kaip ir yra. Tokios gatvytės, nėra su ko palygint. Kaip sunku. Yeah, I'm filming, good. Čia jau ryžiai visi paruošti cool, sakė. Nu šitie dar ne, dar žalesni, bet yra jau tie dar tikrai ne, nes jie dar aukštyn žiūri galvas. Čia jau varpas jau nuleistas, dargi ne, bet turi parduot. Kaip sakė, cool. Tai lėkia. Yep. very much.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, very beautiful, amazing.
Far this tourist area.
This is my favorite place. I like the road, drive and the
See the field,
rice.
you see the rice, you see the local people here.
Yeah, it's a big rice. Very.
Of course, yes.
It's gonna be a lot rice.
Natural, everything.
Everything natural. Let's go. Woo! What? What you? Ai, fish. Kažką žvejoja bais.
Bendy, jangan ni. Bendy, Bendy ambil saya. Oh, ada. Mana leh.
Very nice.
Very
Yeah, how much? Free?
How much?
Yeah, good. How much? Oh,
Body.
very
Thank
nice.
you.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, bye bye. 90.92. So you mine from the ground here somewhere in Bali, where you get silver.
At the Borneo.
Burning.
Yeah, for
Okay.
the silver we get from Borneo, like this.
Yeah. It's like a bowl, small balls.
Yeah, that's a silver, pure silver.
Pure silver. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
For the cleaning season, you can see it.
Yep.
G is price.
G. Is 1,000 or 1 million?
1,100,000 rupiah.
Oh, yeah.
You can do 30 bills.
Yep. Interesting. Tikras sidabras rankų darbo. Normal. Yeah, perfect. No, yeah. You look nice. Yeah, dress traditional. Yep, same. Yeah. Which one? No, this is. Yeah. How much?
For that one, 850,000.
Yeah, 50 euro.
10% discount.
Yeah.
700.
Lekiam toli, vibruoja bais. Na, bet su motoroleriu valandą priekį, 2 valandas atgal. Tai norėjau parodyti, kad čia labai gražus tokie ornamentai, papuošti stulpas ir eina per patį viršų. Ką tik sustojau, sakau, pailsėsiu kojas, nes gan gražus vaizdai, sakau, pafilmuosiu biškį, bet draugeliai važiuoja pam sekundai. Čia kažkas auga. Čia laimas šiuo. Jo, dar neprinokęs. Nevalgys, nes kopūstai. Gerai. Lėkiam toliau, nes man dar ilgai ir nuobodžiai kelionė laukia. This one. Yep, filming.
Necklace, no?
Nope, no more. Thank you. Yeah, I'm full. Thank you. No, no, no. No more. Yeah, I'm full. I bought.
Buy one like this.
Yeah, I'm full.
One on there, just looking.
I'm full.
Just one with me.
I have here.
Not
Look.
same, like this necklace, just buy one open myself.
I don't need.
This nice. You take one only, one piece. I want for open selling, so I have the black color.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have money with
It's
me.
okay, it's
This
okay.
One. Only one.
I have turtle.
This one nice then.
Yeah, good.
Only one piece then. This nice.
Good.
Take
Yeah,
one
thank you. I'm okay. Thank you.
Nice.
No.
Very cheap, sir.
Aš filmuoju, aš labai gražiai filmuoju, o man padešinė panelė, nu, nedingsta. Tu rytoj atsuksi, pamatysit visi. No, 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 thank you. I don't need. I have.
You took one with me.
No, 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 no. I have already. Thank you. No, no. Čia labai prilimpa visi prie kojos. Tai reikia varyti, nes čia baisu. Ne dėl grožio jis labai gražu, bet dėl žmonių maišas baisiai. Tai pafilmuosiu ir lėkim.
I'm Made. I'm from Ubud. If you come to Bali, to Ubud, you want to out the tourist area, maybe you want the trekking, maybe you want to the purification temple, please follow me. My name is Made. I'm from Ubud, Bali. Suksmo and Mawali. Thank you very much.